Hey, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. We're out here at beautiful Rend Lake, and this is the Gun Creek Campground?
Yes.
Gun Creek Campground.
Number 84.
Great spot here right on the lake, right on the water. A little bit rainy, but a beautiful day today. We're gonna take off a day early because we don't want to sit in the camper all day and enjoy the rain.
Yeah, there's about to be a monsoon coming, so we've had a lovely spring break here and spent a few days checking out the area. Check out what we did, and we'll be right back with you with the campground review. Oh guys, Rend Lake is beautiful. It's Blake's birthday. Woo-hoo. We got dogs, brats, steaks. Oh, that one looks good. We're gonna be making a campfire cherry cobbler in a little bit. Can't ask for a better day. This is gorgeous. Thank you, Jesus. I am trying something new. It's Blake's birthday. We're out here on beautiful Rend Lake in Illinois, and we are making a cherry cobbler or cherry dump cake over the campfire. So what we have so far is we went with 3 cans of cherry pie filling because we have a large family and we have a large cast iron. And I did line it with foil just to help with cleanup. Next, we have a yellow cake mix. It is from Aldi. You just dump it on. Then, there's 2 different ways I've seen dump cakes done. You either put a can of pop, like Sprite, you pour it on there. We are going with hunks of butter. So we're gonna dot it with the butter. Then I'll show you what it looks like when we get it on the campfire in a minute. At the North Markham Archery Complex, and there's dirt bike trails. We're gonna go check out the Archery Complex. They have 3D targets on an archery trail. We're gonna go check it out even though we don't have our bows and arrows, but next time we'll know if we want to come back. liked this campground. This is probably our first COE campground, and it's well kept. It's small. There's a few loops. This loop is electric only, and it's only $18 a night. And this view is priceless. I think this is probably the best spot in the whole loop, number 84, because it's got a lot of lakefront property. It is very windy, of course, so if you want to block the wind, if you want to be by the bathrooms, you can be around the corner. But we are loving this view. And there's several spots right in a row here. There's tons of lakefront area where you can see the lake and enjoy the sunset. I didn't love the bathrooms. There's 4, they're like bathrooms / showers. They're not heated nor cooled. So, but the water was nice and hot. I did take a shower there, and it was nice hot water. And what else? No soap. There's no soap in the bathroom. No soap. Like no soap dispenser, just no soap.
Nothing.
So,
nada.
Other than that, oh, and our grate here, you might want to bring your own grate to help out because this grate at present is broken. I did notice down there somebody's got a new one, so maybe a new one's coming.
Anyways, 3 stars for view and location.
Out of 5?
It was an $18 site, $1 million value.
And if you want the full hookup sites, it's only what, 30?
26.
26?
18 for electric only, 26 for full hookup.
Full hookup, lakefront spots. So check that out if you want to come to Rend Lake, if you want to know what to do. We came at the end of March, so happy birthday. It was spring break, which fell kind of early for us, and not very much stuff is open. But if you have a boat, if you like fishing, there's hunting, there was the cool archery area, there's plenty of stuff to do. We mostly chilled and played on the playground and found, the Blackberry walking trail. That was cute. The visitor center is very new. So, yeah.
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5? I think for the view alone, it should be at least a 3.5. I do think we might end up here again someday, but maybe in the summertime when we can enjoy the beach and the water and all that.
Maybe.
So, thank you for watching this episode of Adventures and Pop-Ups. I'm Rachel, this is Blake. Keep coming back for tips, tricks, hacks, mods, campsite reviews, and happy camping.
Happy camping, guys.